Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited because I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you Essence of Argon. Do you want to know what is in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Essence of Argon sent me this box to review, so thank you so much for sending me this to review. I greatly do appreciate it. When the company got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their box, I looked it up and everything is with argan oil. And then I started doing research on argan oil, and all of the benefits is so amazing on all the different things that you can use with it. So I'm like, you know what? That would be a good subscription to show you guys because argan oil is really good for our hair, our skin, our nails, and a lot of other things. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you all about the different subscriptions that they have, because they have like 9 different ones that you can choose from. And then they have like you build your own, like kind of like a build your own box. And that's what I did. So I'm gonna let you know all about the company now, and then we'll go ahead and see what is inside that box right there. Okay, so Essence of Argon. About it is the Moroccan beauty box by Argan harness the beauty secret of men and women all over the world. The 9 curated or customized beauty boxes are offered through a 30-day subscription program delivered to your door with 85% off the retail price plus 50% off the first order and a free gift on your first order. This has been as seen on Dr. Oz and The View. So that's another amazing fact about them, that they've been seen on Dr. Oz and The View. So let's go over all of the different subscription boxes, okay? So the first one is the Argan Starter Box. That one you're gonna get argan oil, a 30 ml of argan oil, and it ships every 30 days. And so the first one you get 50% off plus the free gift. So it would be $9.99 for your first box. And then it's just $19.99 every month after that, as long as you still want to keep that subscription, or if you want to change it, whichever, you can cancel at any time, that kind of thing. So then you have the Argan Hero Box. That one will give you one 30 ml bottle of the argan oil. It'll give you a shampoo, a conditioner, and a hair mask. And that one ships every 60 days. So that's cool. That one's not monthly. That one's every 60 days. And it's $59.99 a box. So every 2 months. And the first box would be 50% off plus the free gift. So it'd be $29.99 for the first box. That's the most popular beauty box. It's 100% pure, all natural, organic oil for skin, lips, and hair. Plus industry-beating shampoo and conditioner and hair mask loaded with argan and creatine to tame even the wildest hair. So then they have the Argan Cosmetic Box. Lipstick, lip gloss, and mascara. Ships every 60 days. That one is $64.99, but your first box would be $32.49. So for that one, it says, hello, beautiful. Get a 0.5 ounce of pure organic argan oil and argan drenched lipstick, lip gloss, and mascara. Love your lips and lashes with Essence of Argon infused cosmetics. There's also a lipstick club box. That one is $14.99 a month, or the first one would be $7.49. In the lipstick club, you will get one argan infused lipstick rotating to a different shade each month. So every month you will receive one new lipstick in a new shade with argan inside. Then there's the lip gloss box. That one is the same concept. You will receive one argan infused lip gloss rotating a different shade every month. That one is $14.99 as well, and the first box would be $7.49. So the Mascara Club box is $29.99, but the first one would be $14.99. Complete your collection of argan infused makeup with this breakout mascara. Lengthen, strengthen, and help grow. Includes argan mascara and a pure argan oil of 15 ml. So you get the mascara and the 15 ml argan oil every month. They have a Serum Club box. That one is $39.99, or your first one would be $19.99. Experience our full line of anti-aging serums, rotating one per month. Includes age-defying glow, hydrating with hyaluronic acid, triple peptide repairing, vitamin B3, brightening, and our revitalizing formula. So every month you'll receive one new serum. There's the Skin Rejuvenation Box. That one's $89.99. The first box would be $44.99. Featuring a trifecta of anti-aging treatments, Argan, a revolutionary cream that's ready to transform how you think about skincare. So this box will include the Argan and 130 ml of pure argan oil. Then there is the Opulence. This one is $289.95. Your very first box would be 50% off, making that $145.99. This one ships every 60 days, thankfully. This is our most popular skincare products. It includes 5 anti-aging serums, the pure 30 ml argan oil, and the Argan, and it ships again every 60 days. Or you can do your own customized box. You get to pick one item from each category to make your own box, and the categories are argan oil, so you can choose which size of the argan oil that you would like. Number 2 is a skincare product. You get to choose which one you would like. Number 3, you get to choose from one hair care product. Number 4, you get to choose from one cosmetic product. And then number 5, you choose from one culinary product. And that's where it gets more interesting, because that's where I found out that there's actually an argan oil that they have that is for cooking, for the kitchen. So I was so excited, and I couldn't decide between all of these different boxes, and your girl loves shopping. So I'm like, you know what? Let me customize my own box, because that sounds really, really neat. And then I can show you guys what it would be like if you were to customize your own box. So that is what this is right here. Sorry, that was a whole lot of information, but you guys, they have so many different plans to offer, so they can suit for any whatever you would like. So if you want just a lipstick or just a mascara or just a lip gloss or just the oil, or you want sets, they have you covered with so many different options. So let's go ahead and dive in and see which kit that I built for myself. Again, thank you so much for sending this to me. It opened up my eyes in a whole new thing about argan oil, and I'm like, what? So when you open this up, this is what it looks like. It has all of the little squigglies. It's packaged extremely well, like a subscription box would be. And those are the products that I chose. So right on top is going to be the pure argan oil. And this one is the 30 ml. So this is the size what a 30 ml would be, but they have 3 different sizes. They have smaller and larger. Let me get the plastic off so I can read the label a little bit better. With the lights and then plastic, it's, yeah. Okay, so this says, Essence of Argon moisturizes the skin, hair, and scalp, and virtually prevents signs of aging. Argan oil is high in antioxidants and vitamin E. Argan oil is effective in treating many skin conditions such as eczema, paralysis, dry skin, acne, wrinkles, and other skin irritants. Essence oil argan will also soften the hair and prevent split ends. Add to bath water for an all-over skin moisturizer. So this right here is for a whole lot of things. So if you were to get this in your box, you can use this for your hair, your nails, for your skin. You can use this for your bath water. You can use this pretty much for anything. So this is a different type of usage product. So there's the first thing that I chose, which was that. Now the one that I could barely pronounce is the Argan. I knew it was in my box, but I don't know how quite to pronounce it. So that's what it looks like. So it is in this box. That is the packaging that it comes in. This is a 1 ounce 30 ml container. Oops, if I can get it out of the box. Okay, and the actual product, ooh, that is a very pretty container. That's what it looks like. And it says on here, directions, apply a small amount to finger and apply gently to desired area. Avoid direct contact with eyes. For best results, apply each morning and evening. So let's see what this looks like. All right. I was thinking, I was like, oh my gosh, it's not like that silvery color, is it? No, it is like a white. I don't have a scent. I don't have a scent or anything, but ooh, that feels really nice. That feels really nice. I can't wait to put that on my face. Okay, so there's the second item that I had chose. So this is the skincare. This is the argan oil. For the hair care, I chose a hair mask because I didn't want to just get shampoo or just conditioner. I wanted to try the hair mask, and if this is good, then I might get the one that has the shampoo and the conditioner in it. But this is the Essence of Argon Moroccan Argan Oil Perfecting Mask. And that's what the packaging looks like. And it says made with pure, organic, eco-certified Moroccan argan oil. Used daily for nourished and healthy hair and scalp. Treats dry or damaged hair and scalp, frizz, hair loss, split ends, hair fatigue, and more. For maximum results, use every time you condition your hair. Wet hair, massage into scalp, rinse and repeat if desired. For external use only, avoid your eyes. So that sounds amazing. And it has a good, kind of has a good scent to it. There's that. So I can't wait to try this and start using this in my hair at night and seeing if it makes a difference because of the argan oil. I don't think I've really used anything with argan oil, so I'm really excited. So then from the cosmetic, I chose a lip gloss. And this is Essence of Argon. This is the lip gloss, and it is in Inspiration. I thought just like a clear lip gloss would be good because I don't normally wear lipstick, and I thought this would be a cool way to introduce my lips to some argan oil without having to wear a lipstick. So it is just a light little pink. You can barely even see really a color to it. I always have to sniff everything. It feels nice on my lips. It feels nice. So that's amazing. I can drop that in my purse, put it in my pocket, and I can just keep putting it on my lips. And then the last item is from the Culinary, and that one you get to choose which size that you put in your box. And that's where I learned about this right here. This is the 100% pure organic Moroccan oil, premium culinary oil. Yes, to cook with. So that is so neat. They have you down to your skin, your hair, your nails, to eat, to cook with. Like, this is just amazing. That's why I thought this was just really, really, really neat. So again, going over my box, which what I've chose would have been this for the Culinary, this for the argan oil, this for the hair product, this would be for the skincare product, and this is for the cosmetic product. So what do you guys think? Do you think this sounds like a really neat idea of getting everything with argan oil? Have you guys seen anything like this? Have you heard of using argan oil in so many different products and the benefits of using it? Please comment down below and let me know what you think of the box and the concept and all of that good stuff. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So if you want to check them out, I will have them linked below. You can definitely follow them, check them out, see all of the different subscription boxes that they have to offer. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.